Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. If your SUPERBOX isn't loading apps, don't worry, there are several proven fixes you can try right now. Step 1. Start by force stopping the app. Go to your device settings, find the app management section, locate SUPERBOX, and tap force stop. This clears any frozen processes that might be preventing the app from working properly. Step 2. Clear the app cache next. In the same settings area, find SUPERBOX and select Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that could be corrupting your app data without deleting your actual account information. Step 3. Update your SUPERBOX app to the latest version. Check your App Store for pending updates, and install them immediately since newer versions often fix loading bugs. Step 4. Check your internet connection because SUPERBOX requires stable Wi-Fi or data to load content. Try restarting your router or switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Step 5. If nothing else works, uninstall and reinstall SUPERBOX completely. This gives you a fresh installation and usually solves persistent loading issues that other methods can't fix.